for as little hassle as possible when you're cutting the grass. You want to have a bit of a process. I start by trimming the edges, which gets all the clippings onto the grass. You can then go over it with the mower, of course. You might want to have the bin where you're emptying the clippings as close to you as possible to save you doing too many trips. Once you're finished, use the blower to blow everything from your path or patio back onto the grass and go over it with the mower again. Picks everything up like a hoover, and you're nice and clean and tidy done.